what we have here is the spindle power supply for the Daedalus here. You can see their trademark here, and it's been wired up for the mock controller. We're using Linux CNC. It's not actually connected to anything right now, but when we turn it on, it now has the power light. You can see the power light on in there. On this connector is a back voltage of about 0.25 volts, which is just enough to get the spindle turning with no signal at all.